Today we're going to be drawing a tree using the concept of fractions. So we're going to start at the base by drawing two parallel lines. That means two lines that are going in the same direction without touching. So this is representing one hole. Then we're going to draw a V in the middle of our parallel lines and then continue on the outside of that. So each part has now been broken in half. Now we're going to go in between these two parallel lines and put a V, and the other two and put a V. Then extend the outer edge. So our trunk that was once one whole has now been divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So each of these is 1/4 of the whole. If we go from there and divide these 4 branches in half, how many are we going to get? You could think of it as 2 new branches times 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Let's see if I'm right. As I extend, I now have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I now have 8 branches. So each of those is 1/8 of the whole. Challenge yourself to divide your branches at least into 1/8. But I'm going to go beyond that. So I'm going to take each of the 8 branches and divide them once again. And this time you can see that I'm just kind of attaching the V. It's okay if some of your branches begin to touch and overlap. So now we have 2 times 8, which is 16. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. You can continue going and divide your branches even more if you wish. If you do not choose to, then you can simply go over and color on top of your tree. We're creating what is called a silhouette. A silhouette is just a darkened outline of a shape. You also often see portraits that are silhouettes of people. It's a side view of the person's face, but you don't see all the details. It's all blacked out, just the silhouette, the outline of the shape. So we have a silhouette of a tree and its branches. The next step is going to be to decide on our color choices that we're going to add to our background. This is going to create a really exciting effect in the background. So I'm going to show you that in person next.